have our Honda Insight, and it was having some problems shifting into first and third gear. Basically anything where you have to shift it forward, it just all of a sudden happened. And I suspect that maybe the linkage broke somewhere inside of here. I think it's broken before. And so let's take this center console apart. It's right down here, the manual shifter. And the first thing you got to do is you can unscrew that thing, and then there's a bunch of screws, 1, 2, and then another 2 on this side down here. You got to take these out. They're a Phillips head screwdriver. So let's try to take these screws out, and we'll remove the center console and see what's going on under here. Okay. So the screws out at the bottom. I'm trying to pull it out, and it looks like there's some kind of clippy things here that you gotta maybe pull out. Looks like if you pull them out, they will pop out of place. I hope. Yeah, there we go. Let me try to pull that guy out. Okay, there we go. Little plastic clip things, and there's one on each side, so take out the other one. Pull this guy out of here. Okay, I'm gonna need another hand to grab that one and pull him out. You can see it, it's right there. Okay. All those fasteners out, you can kind of grab this whole console thing and pull it out. And here we go. Here's our linkage down here. And not sure exactly what's going on here. Try to take a look and see why this is not shifted properly. Okay. Let's take a look up. Okay. It goes up into the dash up there, so I'm not sure what's going on there, but there's our shift lever. See this? So it's not captured up there, it's popping out of the thing sometimes, right at this joint right here. So when it pops out, it won't work right. So that thing just broke right off, huh? Oh! Okay. Okay, so looks like the capture thing for this cable is broken off. It's like pure metal up here. There's nothing holding this anymore, so it can just move right in and out of there. And so I discussed it with some of my engineer buddies. See how it's got nothing holding it on the top? Maybe we could take a hose clamp and loop it around through there and grab onto that cable and hold it in place, and then it will not give us any more problems shifting anymore. So let's try to do that. So it looks like I was able to loop a hose clamp, metal hose clamp, down below this bracket thing and all the way around and bring it up over this guy. And I think maybe if I can tighten that down, that'll hold this thing in place so it doesn't come uncaptured. And maybe we'll have temporarily fixed the problem, but this is really not a great situation. Okay, so let's try to tighten that up and we'll see how this works then. Okay, so we were able to get a screwdriver down there inside. Actually, I found if I loop it kind of in front like that, it kind of holds it better. It seems to be holding it in place pretty well, keeping it captured. And I'll maybe test it on the inside to see if it moves freely still, make sure that it still actuates properly. And hopefully this will fix the problem for us. So now it seems to be shifting properly. Here we go. First gear, second gear, no problems. So I guess a little hose clamp will fix the problem. Okay. Anyway, this is Dr. James, and thanks for watching.